Everybody knows the old market maxim to sell in May and go away, but you should definitely stick around for April, says my next guest, Ryan Detrick. He's here to tell us all about it. Welcome, Ryan.
Glad to be back. Thank you.
All right, so what does April bring other than showers?
Well, usually it brings fortunately, some higher prices. Historically, the last 5, 10, 15, and 20 years, April is either the first or the second strongest month consistently. You can say, why is that? Well, one of the main things is earnings season kicks up in April. And historically, we all know, like you said, sell in May, go away. Usually April's that kind of last hurrah. But all in all, things still look pretty good from a seasonality point of view, in our opinion here.
All right. What about sentiment? Where's sentiment right now?
Well, clearly sentiment's getting a little frothier. Now the big question is, are we at euphoria? We don't think so. Greg, one thing we like to look at is short interest. If you look at the 500 components of the S&P 500, short interest recently has increased 10% since February. Now what does that mean? Well, remember, shorts are bearish bets. The market's up around new highs, making new highs virtually every day, yet the shorts continue to come in. To us, it's a good sign as those shorts potentially could unwind and kind of continue to push us higher. Also, the Investors Intelligence poll came out last week. The number of people looking for a correction spiked above 30%. Keep it simple. Since 2009, every time we spike above 30%, that's usually a bullish signal. Too many people saying, here comes the correction. It's kind of the slow, torturous bull market, if that's even the right way to describe it. But it's true that we're not getting that correction because too many people expect it, I think.
And people keep waiting for consumer stocks to fall off a cliff. They haven't. You like a few of them. One of them is Netflix. This stock has had a spectacular run.
Well, that's right. When you talk about Netflix specifically, it was kicked out of the NASDAQ 100 in December. So that's when sentiment gets very low. Now, they've had some good news, shares going higher. What we like about Netflix also, besides the strong price action, people keep betting against it. Lots of bearish puts been coming in, still a lot of shorts. Yes, it's volatile. Yes, it's had a big run, but still, the negative sentiment, we like to say at Schaeffer, is buy low expectations, don't buy low prices. Well, that still has low expectations, even with the upward price action.
Similarly, Green Mountain Coffee, also on a fairly good run this year. Do you expect that to last?
We absolutely do. GMCR is another great example. There's a lot of shorts on that one. It's it's more of a popular trade. Traders like to go in and out, but again, too many people we think are betting against it. Lowered expectations. Good news, higher prices.
Coinstar as well?
Exactly. Coinstar, I believe the short to float is about 54%, and again, lots of bearish puts coming in. So huge negative bets on Coinstar. Any good news? Could go upside. Very big upside.
Stay with the consumer stocks. Hang around in April, then go away for May.
We wouldn't say necessarily go away. The one thing we're hearing, Greg, is a lot of people are pointing out the last 3 years the market's peaked in April and pulled back. From that contrarian point of view, could we have a pullback? Of course, but I don't think we'll see a pullback like we have the past 2 years.
It's going to be a fun summer. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching The Street.